Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Roblox keeps crashing on iOS as well as on your iPad and how to fix this up completely. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just tap on settings. Then from here you just have to tap on general. After scrolling, just tap on general. From here you just have to tap on background app refresh and make sure that Roblox, if it is turned on, you just have to turn this off, and once after that you just have to go back. Now from here you just have to tap on iPhone storage. From here you just have to wait for a short period of seconds and you have to scroll down and just have to select Roblox. Now from here you just have to tap on offload app. Now once after you tap on offload app, you just have to wait for a short period of seconds and go back to the home screen. Now from here you just have to search, just have to open App Store and you have to search for Roblox and make sure if any updates are available, just update it. As you can see, the updates are available, so I have to tap on it and I have to update it, and once after that most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.